naman tayo sa other side going up to the Brown Pagoda.
I'm waiting for you tea and coffee.
Hey guys, good morning, happy Monday, and welcome back to Vlogsetter. And for today, we are off to another Klook tour, but of course, before that, we're gonna get our breakfast here. Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa meeting place nung Klook tour namin for today, and this is in front of the Tapay Gate. Diyan yung kagabi na pinuntahan nating Sunday night market.
We will see Thirst Step Dry Field and Coffee Plantation, and we will try Thirst Coffee and built here. They was built by Thai Air Force. Koda, remove your shoe, remove your hat. And over here, they was built behind Pagoda 6 years. Almost Pagoda here is a border.
Hey guys, so we are now here in Doi Inthanon National Park. And first stop is this pagoda. Kaya lang hindi masyadong kita. Ayan. Because it's really chilly here. And ang kapal ng fog, kaya hindi masyadong makita. Also that brown pagoda over there. Try natin mamaya, medyo lumalabas naman na yung araw. Ayan, medyo mas kita siya here. This one is the purple. Tapos yung nasa kabila yung brown na hindi makita, pero we can go there after here. It's currently 15 degrees here Celsius, and good thing that they are giving instruction dun sa Klook tour that we have to bring yung jacket and also yung pants, because again the weather here gets chilly like this. So dito naman tayo sa other side going up to the Brown Pagoda, and elevators not working here, so mano-manong akyat. Ganda ng landscape here, oh. May pa bulaklak. So ayan na yung brown na pagoda. Mas visible na guys now yung mga pagoda. That is the purple one. Doon tayo nang galing kanina. And now this is the brown one. Let's get inside. Look guys, we now have a better view. Masyado lang tayo sigurong maaga kanina. Pero kitang-kita na yung purple and then on the other side, yung brown naman. Nasaan na siya? Ayan, ayun naman yung brown one. Pero, ang dami na din masyadong turista. Okay lang din pala kanina na mas maaga tayo because konti lang yung taong umaakit doon. So we're here in the second stop guys. This is yung sa summit of Doi Inthanon.
Pagoda, they inside the container.
Meron din ditong exhibition at the end of the trail na nilakaran natin doon. So we have here another trail, another 15-minute daw. Akala namin tapos na yun dun sa kabila. So this is the nature trail na pababa naman. Super lamig dito guys. Mas malamig kesa dun sa area ng pagoda. Kasi we are in the middle of the forest. Look at that. So we stopped over here in the dry market. Tapos may mga binibentang mura ng mga pasalubong. Hey guys, after lunch, we're here in Mae Klang Luang Coffee. And they have here their own coffee. Let's check kung paano nila ginagawa.
They have so over here they have a medium roast, but I have been try. I think they are.
So this is the village guys. Yung kanina namin pinuntahan, that is yung coffee making. Tapos pinapatry din nila yung kape nila.
Come bring for you tea and coffee.
Hey guys, we're here at the last stop. Ayun siya. Wat Kiratan Waterfall. Ito na siya guys, up close. We're back in Chiang Mai guys. Ito yung area kung saan yung pick up point ng Kulong Tour. At dito din yung drop off.
Cracking.